And that concludes Mabel's Guide to Hair Topiary.
What is it?
It's an ostrich. It's clearly an ostrich.
Caw.
Today, Mabel's Guide to Stickers! Throughout history, stickers have been the backbone of many great civilizations.
No, they haven't.
The ancient Greeks used leeches for stickers. The more stickers you had, the cooler you were.
Nope, not true.
The ancient Aztecs' chest skull was the modern equivalent to today's. Aren't you happy, Mon?
Yes, Aztec war paint was exactly like a Rasta orange. Mabel, have you ever read a history book?
Edit it out! Edit! Cut away! Let's take a look at my personal Stictionary. Stickers fall into several distinct categories. Puffy stickers,
So soft.
goofily eye stickers,
Ah! It's like they're watching me.
bumper stickers, scratch and sniff and touch, listen and taste, and price stickers. You can get these ones free at the store.
Don't they need those?
Stickers.
Free TVs, everybody! Free TV! Give me free TV!
Listen, Dipper, you shouldn't doubt my authority. In the sticker world, I'm the girl who can get you things.
I need a sticker to put on my car that'll, get the cops off my back. Oh.
My price. I'm gonna get so sick. Nom, nom, nom.
Mabel, don't you think those are hazardous to your health?
Edit!
What? How'd I get here?
Thanks for watching Mabel's Guide to Stickers. And now a riddle. What kind of sticker can save your life? Waddles, if you please. Oh! Puffy stickers! Still really hurt, though.
Thanks for watching. Now click left or right for more great shows, or subscribe to keep up to date with the latest Disney Channel YouTube clips.